You see some work going on in there. That's why we wanted the cinema in there, over there. Yeah, welcome to the channel. Glad you can join me today in Weymouth, and we're going to have another look at the cinema, Cineworld, and see what's happening around there. I've heard two rumours. You can't always believe the rumours, as in the past, but I've heard two rumours. I'll let you know in a minute when we get round to the cinema, Cineworld, as it was. Yeah, quite busy for a Thursday today. Quite busy, not too bad, in the town. Nice just sit down and have a coffee. Yeah, so we're going to have a walk round to the cinema now, the old Cineworld site, and see what's happening around there. And see what we can see. Yeah, so when I said in the other video that it was up for demolition, and that's what it had on the boards outside, so I'll show you around here. It was up for demolition, maybe demolition of the inside, but demolition in progress, that's what it says. And yeah, that's what it says, demolition in progress, key base. So what I've heard, that rumours have it, is that VUE are taking over it. Another cinema company are taking over it. So there's a lot of work going on inside. Yeah, there's a lot of work going on inside, but there's another company taking over it, which I've heard that VUE are taking over the site. There's not much going on in there. All the front's off, all the doors are off, and you can't see much in there. Just give you an update of what's going on. Yeah, all the front's off it, but I've heard that VUE, another cinema company, is taking over this place, over Cineworld site. So that's what I've heard, and I've also heard a retail store is taking over, which I don't think that will happen, because really it's all set up for a cinema. And I suppose that VUE, the new cinema company, if they do take over, wants it to look like their cinemas, want it to look like theirs. So we're going to have a walk round so we can see anything round the other side. You see some work going on in there, that's why we wanted the cinema in there, over there. And I take it this is all the cinema round here. It comes to an end just down here. Yeah, so it's next to the post office, and then it goes all the way around there. So I'm not really sure that it would make sense for another cinema to take over. but definitely some work going on inside it. So we'll just have to wait and see, and if I hear any more updates, I'll definitely bring it to you. So the doors are open there. I'm not sure if that's one of the cinemas or not, but probably not. I think the cinema's further over there, the actual theatres. So anyway, yeah, so if I hear any more coming in, could be VUE, could be anybody coming in. And this is, I think, they're really gotten it inside to making it look like whoever's going to take over, it look like their cinemas, what they've already got. So they want it completely different, and they want it theirs. I don't think it's going to be a superstore, because too much has to change for that. It's already set up for a cinema, so I'll take it. It's going to carry on being a cinema, and some other cinema company's going to take over. So I'll keep you updated on that. But I have heard rumours that VUE could be one possibility. Anyway, if you liked the video today, please like, subscribe, support the channel, and give us a thumbs up. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Any updates, I'll bring them straight to you. Have a great day, and bye for now.